on the condenser coil, hot gas line, filter dryer on this true reach in today. I'll clean up that fan blade, also replacing the condensator tray. This probably also needs to be replaced. Let's see that leak in there. We'll see what's going on. It's gonna be a fun one. But let's get this gas recovered and get this coil changed out. Look at outside. It'd be easy to replace it this way. Take those screws out, get the condenser out, clean everything up, make it look pretty. This is the dryer I got here. Usually have to find a port to put in. That's not a problem. Get to it. Set it up with nice little nitro purge while I braze my connections in, and should be good to go. And then finish the rest in place. But let's just purge this with nitrogen while I braze this in.
Grease on there, get that cleaned up.
Not perfect, but better than it was. I like to use these brushes. Got a set of them. A little degreaser. Clean that blade up. Make it look nice. Alright, let's get this thing out. Jesus Christ, this pan was shot. Thank God I got another one. I'm gonna put this into. I like this little flame blanket here. It really helps to prevent burning random shit. It's a good thing to have, man. Also, if you don't got one of these guys, one of the mirrors with a light, so you can check the braze joints, highly recommend. Vacuum running on it. Pressure tested it, everything came out right. Just gonna re-insulate this. Surprisingly enough, this isn't leaking. So re-insulate all of it, put it all back together, and let it run. All right, that's another one for the books. Everything is done, coming down in temperature, and satisfied before I left. Appreciate you guys watching. Please consider commenting, and subscribing. Help the channel grow, and watch other videos if you enjoyed this content. You guys have a blessed one. Thanks.